All right, guys, it's Gains and Pains, and it is Saturday, the 8th of March. As you can see, this is where the market finished yesterday, and you can see there's a nice straight line there because there's been no movement on the market because it's closed now. So you can see that I got £4,023. That's gone up a bit there. It's the best that we've had all week, really, in increased. Okay, and all the stocks still looking good. There was some correcting going on there, so like Admiral's dropped a little bit. Like I said, there's that new dividend, so if you are interested in buying an Admiral, you have got the now that it's dropping a little bit, now's a good time. Obviously, this is not financial advice, and it is a stock market, so there is always a risk that you might lose your money there. Okay, so what I said yesterday is that we'll look at some American stocks and see what we've got. And I'm going to start off by showing you this pie that I've got. So a pie is that a user would go through, select all of the companies that they're wanting to do, and then you can just put in a lump sum. For this one, it's £50 for the almost daily dividend, and they will split that money equally amongst all of the well, not equally, it will depend on how you've how it's been set up. So some companies may have a high percentage dedicated to them and others lower percentage, and it would get that money issued out. So at the moment, I've not got much in it, only £400, and I've only had it for a couple of months. So it's not really got a dividend payment from all of the companies yet, but it is adding a few pence here and there, and I'm obviously going to add to that. But you can see this is all American companies that issue a dividend. Okay, you can see that some of them are in the green, but they're not very high. That's just because I own a fraction of the share for them. Okay, you can see some of them have been hit quite hard, like the Bank of Montreal, Bank of Nova Scotia. We have got Chevron. We've got plenty of other American companies here. You can see that the Illinois Toolworks is doing okay though. Main Street Capital, it's still doing all right, still in the green. I don't have much of a share in it, but I did buy my Main Street Capital last year when it was at a lower rate. Okay, there's big companies here like Microsoft that everyone should know, everyone knows about as well. And you can see that Microsoft here is in low. So at the moment, they're at 392, but you can see that earlier this week they had 400. You can see that last month it was at £417. So that's a drop of around about £29. You can see 3 months ago it was was all the way up here at 454. That's within 3 months. Fortunately, it has taken a hit, and that is due to things like tariffs being discussed. It is that there's a lot of uncertainty in the American government, so that's affected the price as well. Hopefully when things stabilise, this will go up again, and I would not be surprised if this is in 450 again. Obviously now's a good time to buy if you are interested, but I can't guarantee that that'll be able to that it would climb up, or when it will, or if it will go down first or not. Okay, if we have a look at the things that we've got here, we have got Tesla. Now Tesla's taken a bit of a battering, really. We can see that this week, in 1 week, it's £262 now. Before then it was over 300, so it's around about £38 it's lost. A month ago it was around about 380, so that's lost £118 ish. And then within 3 months it hit its high around about like what are they called? 436. So there was massive amount of money there they had, but it has lost all that since. I do believe that Tesla will bounce back, but I can't guarantee how it will be because Musk is making a lot of noise and a lot of it is not popular, really. Obviously, let's just discuss that these shares are a lot higher price. These are so when they do drop, the drop is a lot more significant, really. You can tell that there. Okay, I'll carry this on in a second video. I'll speak to you. I'll get that added soon.